You'll never throw away pickle juice after reading this. For those of us that love pickles, it can seem like a waste to throw out all the leftover juice when they're gone. And you'd be right. Pickle juice can be just as healthy and even more useful than the pickles themselves. Pickle juice usually contains salt, sugar, vinegar, garlic and onion, but it can sometimes include celery seed, dill, cloves and turmeric. Aside from just preserving fresh veggies and killing bacteria, this wonderful juice has more benefits than you think. So keep that jar. 1. Benefits of pickle juice. Ease heartburn. Heartburn can happen after overindulging or eating something spicy or acidic. The vinegar in pickle juice helps treat the heartburn, and it might encourage your stomach to produce more natural antacids. This helps balance the acidity in your system. Soothes sunburn. While we all know that tallow cools the burn and promotes healthy skin growth, pickle juice can help soothe the stinging or itching. The salt and vinegar contents in the juice can have an instant effect for relieving the stinging sensation. A jar of pickles at the beach isn't so strange now, is it? 2. Relaxes muscles. If you work out often, you've probably heard of electrolytes. These micronutrients keep our synapses firing, but get lost when we sweat or lose water. Without them, you get muscle cramps. Pickle juice is full of electrolytes like sodium and potassium which will help your cramping. Dilute a few spoonfuls into some water and cramp no more. 3. Helps sore throat. Gargling warm salt water is a remedy older than your grandmother, and for good reason because it works. It kills germs and balances your pH levels. Pickle juice works just as well, but with all the added benefits of vinegar. Warm some diluted pickle juice and gargle away. 4. Cleans copper pans. Copper can be a pain to clean, but a little pickle juice and some elbow grease can remove the char and dull color they get from use. Acetic acid in the vinegar cuts through the grime, while the salt and acid react with the green oxidization to bring them back to their original shine. 5. Fertilizes plants. Plants like hydrangeas and rhododendrons prefer acidic soil to help them grow. While hydrangeas are typically blue, they change color depending on the pH level of the soil. Using pickle juice will give them a purplish color to add some color variety to your garden. 6. Adds flavor. Add some tang to stray veggies like dried out carrots, broccoli or red onions. Leave them overnight in the jar and they should have a zesty taste added. It's almost as if you never ran out of pickles in the first place. Make sure you get your money's worth the next time you run out pickles. You can always find a use for the leftovers, and now you know just where to start.